and I'm here to talk about the flood that struck the cities in the region of mountains in the state of Rio de Janeiro, and how Tesacon helped the people using the Iridium 9555 to the rescue teams to find people and to provide help and help the operation companies to reestablish the cell phones and the connectivity. There was a little boy that lives in south of Brazil, in Santa Catarina, and he hitchhiked with his brother-in-law. He was a truck driver, and he went to Rio de Janeiro. And they were passing by Teresópolis, they were trapped, the road crashed, and he could not talk to his mother, that he was alive, he was okay. And when we found the boy, he was very, very sad, crying, and we gave him the Iridium phone, and he could talk to his mother. He was very, very happy after that. It was very good to help people and make them a little support, a little relief for their losses. And maybe, like this little boy, hey, I'm alive. That was, you can imagine how the sensation, how we felt with that.